table, telling jokes and stories about life. Prayers at bedtime and coffee in the morning, teaching us wrong from right. Man, a few words in a pearl snap shirt showed me how to strum my first guitar. No, we weren't perfect, we sure had some problems, but he loved us with all of his heart. The measure of a man is not what he has, but what he leaves behind. Love's the only treasure that will last through the passing of time. Worked hard to give us everything we needed, had a giving heart till his last breath. Though now he's gone, he lives on in our memories. 'Cause of him we'll never forget that the measure of a man is not what he has, but what he leaves behind. Tack for hjelpen. Love's the only treasure that will last through the passing of time. The passing of time.